AI is coming for your job. In fact, by 2050, millions of jobs are going to be fully automated. But I don't want you to panic today. In this video, I'm going to show you which jobs are safe, which ones are at risk, but more importantly, what can you do right now to future-proof your success? And more importantly, how do we future-proof your income even if you don't work in tech or know AI at all? All right, so first I want to start with the bad news and talk about which jobs are going to be 100% automated and controlled by artificial intelligence. But before I go into that, I do want to show you how you can up-level your skills by the end of this video. So make sure to stick to the end of this video because I want to show you how you can become an AI expert. Let's start with the harsh reality. By 2050, these jobs are going to be 100% automated by AI, and there's no humans that are going to be needed. Let's just think about it. Assembly line workers completely gone. Truck drivers replaced by self-driving rigs, or even data entry clerks. AI can process a spreadsheet in milliseconds. Even bank tellers and radiologists. That's right. Even white-collar jobs as well are already seeing AI automation take completely over. And look, this isn't just about doom and gloom, but if you're in one of these industries and you're not planning ahead, you're putting your future in the hands of a machine. So what do we do if you are in one of these industries? Well, you need to pivot. You need to learn new skills. You need to start a side hustle. You need to get curious about AI and how you can up-level your skills. The world is changing fast, and it's not about the richest or the smartest. More importantly, it's the ones who adapt the quickest. But now let's talk about the jobs that AI can't replace. And this is where it gets exciting because not all jobs are disappearing. In fact, some jobs are more secure than ever. Now, why is that? Obviously, we know AI is extremely intelligent, but it doesn't have a soul. It doesn't feel emotions, and it doesn't understand the nuance of what's going on with human beings. That's why jobs like psychotherapists or hospice care workers, even personal trainers, artists are considered 100% human. These roles rely on empathy, intuition, creativity, and connection. And AI, as powerful as it is, cannot replace these jobs. And more importantly, the human touch, the human experience. So if you're in one of these fields, I want you to lean in. I want you to get better at your craft and become the best in the world. All right, so now let's talk about the gray area. These are the jobs that aren't going away, but they are evolving rapidly. Now, I call these hybrid roles. Think about surgeons using robotic precision tools, or teachers using AI to personalize learning, or even journalists who draft faster with tools like ChatGPT. These jobs will be 50-50 human and AI. Another example is a lawyer automating legal research, or even architects working alongside 3D design AI software. Now, who are the people that are going to win in these spaces? They're not the ones trying to compete with AI. They're the ones that know how to collaborate with it and make it even better. So if you're in one of these careers, your goal is simple. Learn how to use AI as a sidekick, not as a threat. All right, so now let's talk about the jobs that AI is going to create in the future. And this is the part that no one is talking about. Everyone's talking about AI replacing jobs, but AI is actually going to create brand new jobs and brand new opportunities. And the best part is most people have no idea they even exist. The first future job is AI ethics officer. AI is powerful, but who's the one that makes sure it's fair, ethical, and safe? That's the job of an AI ethics officer. These roles are popping up fast in government, tech companies, and healthcare. The second opportunity is a virtual reality or VR experience designer. As virtual and augmented reality go mainstream, we need people to design those worlds, the scenes, the sounds, the feel. A VR experience designer is part game designer, part storyteller, and part coder. They're building everything from immersive fitness apps to virtual classrooms. The next job is a human AI collaboration specialist. Now, this sounds like a sci-fi title, but it's real. These are the actual people who train teams on how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, automation workflows, and productivity bots. In short, they help humans work better with machines. This is especially in demand for companies adopting AI but struggling to integrate it. Now, the best part is you can start mastering tools such as ChatGPT, Zapier, or Notion AI. And of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm creating videos every single week on how you can crush it with AI, how to make money with AI, and more importantly, how to quit your job using artificial intelligence. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. How do you future-proof your career? All right, now let's get practical. You might be thinking, Jonathan, this actually sounds amazing, but how do we actually do this? Number one, pick one tool and master it. Learn ChatGPT, Notion AI, or even Canva AI. You don't need 10, just one that fits your industry. Number two is you need to stack skills. Combine tech with soft skills like marketing and automation. Writing plus AI, fitness plus virtual coaching. This is where the money is. Number three, build something. A lead magnet, a funnel, a service. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just get in the game. Number four, surround yourself with smart people. Follow creators teaching this stuff. Join communities. Get in rooms where the conversation about what's next is happening. And number five, start monetizing fast. Don't wait for the perfect product. Use affiliate marketing, done for you systems, and income streams that you pay even while you're learning. Now, if you're serious about up-leveling your AI skills or even quitting your 9-to-5 job, I've actually helped over 60,000 people get started on their path to financial and time freedom. And I want to invite you to something special. It's called my Leave Your 9-to-5 Challenge. And it's my step-by-step system on how you can tap into over 15 income streams on day number one. This is actually even more powerful than AI. And this challenge has helped thousands and thousands of people who have no experience with AI or tech or even how to start a business make their first money online. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description. Make sure to join this challenge so we can walk you through the process. And thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one, and God bless.